This is the easiest Coursera has ever made to get into their Coursera Plus subscription. As long as you sign up before June 22nd, Coursera is making its first month of subscription available for just $1. And what do you get with the Coursera Plus subscription, you may ask? You get unlimited access to thousands of courses and certifications offered by over 270 of the leading universities and institutions around the world. So if you're interested in starting your career as a front-end developer, you can get started with Meta's front-end professional developer certificate, which is included in Coursera Plus, even as a complete beginner. Or if back-end development is more your speed, the Coursera Plus subscription has got you covered there too, even as a beginner. Or maybe you're a beginner who's interested in getting into mobile app development. Well, Meta's iOS Developer Professional Certificate is also included under your Coursera Plus subscription. You have virtually endless options when you're a beginner trying to get into tech, because the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate is also going to be included with your Coursera Plus subscription. And when you take a look at the earning potential and the demand for some of these jobs that Coursera certifications prepare you for, you realize that to be able to start your journey for $1 is amazing. And remember, this offer is only valid through June 22nd. The link to sign up is in my bio.